Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel ORG Cars. The 2025 Mahindra Bolero continues its legacy as a robust and reliable utility vehicle, tailored to meet the diverse needs of both urban commuters and rural workhorse enthusiasts. With its rugged design, spacious interior, and a host of practical features, the Bolero stands out in the competitive SUV market. Exterior design. The Bolero's exterior exudes a commanding presence with its bold grille and static bending headlamps. The vehicle's dimensions are 3,995 mm in length, 1,745 mm in width, and 1,880 mm in height to contribute to its sturdy stance. The 2,680 mm wheelbase ensures stability, while the 180 mm ground clearance allows for seamless navigation over rough terrains. Available in three distinct colors: lakeside brown, satin silver, and diamond white, the Bolero offers a touch of personalization for its owners. Interior features. Inside, the Bolero offers a spacious cabin designed for comfort and functionality. The 7-seater configuration ensures ample space for passengers, making it ideal for larger families or group travels. The interior is equipped with manual air conditioning, ensuring a comfortable environment regardless of external weather conditions. The power steering feature enhances maneuverability, especially in tight spots or during extended drives. Additionally, the vehicle comes with power windows, adding to the convenience of both the driver and passengers. Safety components. Safety remains a priority in the 2025 Bolero. The vehicle is equipped with dual front airbags, providing essential protection in the event of a collision. The anti-lock braking system, ABS, ensures controlled braking, reducing the risk of skidding, especially on slippery surfaces. Reverse parking sensors assist drivers in navigating tight parking spaces, alerting them to obstacles that may not be visible. Seat belt reminders and child safety locks further enhance the safety quotient, ensuring all occupants are securely fastened and young passengers are protected. Performance and handling. Under the hood, while specific engine details are not the focus here, the Bolero is known for its reliable performance. The vehicle's suspension system comprises an independent front suspension, IFS, with coil springs at the front and rigid leaf springs at the rear. This setup ensures a balanced ride, absorbing shocks from uneven terrains and providing a smooth driving experience. The 5-speed manual transmission offers precise gear shifts, allowing drivers to maintain optimal control over the vehicle across various driving conditions. Infotainment and connectivity. The 2025 Bolero is equipped with a Bluetooth-enabled music system, allowing occupants to stream their favorite tunes directly from their devices. This feature ensures entertainment on the go, making long drives more enjoyable. The semi-digital instrument cluster provides essential vehicle information at a glance, ensuring drivers are always informed about the vehicle's status. Pricing and variants. The Mahindra Bolero is available in 3 variants, B4, B6, and B60. The pricing for these variants starts at a superscript 19.79 lakh and goes up to a superscript 110.91 lakh, ex-showroom Delhi. This competitive pricing, combined with the vehicle's feature set, makes the Bolero a compelling choice for those seeking a reliable and versatile SUV. Conclusion. The 2025 Mahindra Bolero seamlessly blends functionality with modern-day features, catering to a wide audience ranging from urban dwellers to rural users. Its robust build, combined with thoughtful interior amenities and safety components, ensures it remains a top contender in its segment. Whether you're navigating city streets or exploring off-the-beaten paths, the Bolero is designed to deliver a dependable and comfortable driving experience.